Fairs and hobbies. Hi, guys and girls. How you doing today? I hope you're doing well. We're gonna do a bust of this picture right here, and let's go into Bamboo Studio, Maker World. Open it up, and we got to cancel that out, and we're gonna go to Maker Lab, I believe it is, and we're gonna go to Bust, and we're gonna go click on this Start button right here, and we're gonna go Create from Blank or New Project. So let's go there, and I know that already. We're going to drag the file from here to here, and well, it says drag, and I don't know why it won't drag. So let's go to the desktop, and let's go to find that screen again. It's in here. Click on that. I know, and there it is. Get rid of that. Okay. So here's the picture, and I want to show you this picture. In this picture, we have glasses on. Now, with glasses, when you do the generate the statue of the 3D print, these glasses are going to have maybe supports in them, maybe not, but they may not show the eyes. We'll have to see afterwards. But let's go generate. I'm going to hit generate, and it's going to generate. And at this stage, there's no users ahead of me. So approximate wait time is 18 seconds, and it's generating the statue right now. So let's do that. Move it over. 2 seconds to go. The generation. We're doing this early in the morning. I suggest doing it early in the morning. It's messing and refining right now. Okay. And yes, we can actually make an actual statue bust with that photo. You can do any photo you want. It's back to 3.1 minutes to wait. I don't know why, but let's give it a wait time. I hope you're enjoying learning about Bamboo Studio and all there is to offer. I hope I'm presenting it to you the best way possible and easy to understand. If not, let me know in the comments. I appreciate your feedback. And say hi if you want in the comments. It'd be great too. You know. And we're still waiting for generate. It sometimes takes a while. I really want to see how this comes out, the glasses. I think between the cap on my head and the glasses, it's got a lot of building to do in between in the mesh refining area. That's probably why it's taken so long. I do recommend doing pictures without glasses, okay? But this is with glasses. So take a picture, make sure it's nice, sharp, and clean, and upload it. There we go. Oh wow, took the glasses right off. No glasses. There's the picture. Look at that. And it gave me like a kind of a wrap on my head, like a Santa's cap, um, because the cap is reversed. But there it is. Okay. So you want to hit confirm, and then you can hit confirm again. All right. It's going to bring you into Bambu Studio. There it is. There's the bust. Okay. It's pretty sharp too. Um, it's getting better at um, so you could put the glasses back on right over here if you want. Add base. Up here, I'm jumping ahead here, but add base. We're going to add base. We're going to click on that. You could choose from any of these three bases right here. I kind of like, let's look at that base. No, that's too small. This is a little bit better. Add text. Click on that. And I can put my full name or just my name, or let's put JD Cap. Let's put JD Cap 26. Okay, and that's that. Okay, click on it, and there's my name, JD Cap 26. You can position the glasses, and I don't suggest going into putting glasses back on the model or any of this right here. So uniform scale, that's good. So let's download it, and download and open it. You could do to get the STL file or download and open Studio. We're going to open it in Studio. Okay, so we're going to open Studio. There we go, and there it is. Wow, it's pretty big. There it is. It actually got my pupils in there too. See that? So if I go to paint this, I could put the pupils in. So obviously, and there's a name down here. Obviously, you have to slice this. So it's in A1. See up here? That's no good. We have to put it in X1 carbon. So go to X1 carbon and texture plate 4mm nozzle standard. Bambu PLA is, we're not using bamboo, we're going to use generic PLA. Okay. Use modified value. Yes, modified value. Okay. We need to put supports. So we click on supports. We have tree support default. That's good. Let's left click and pull it down so we can look at it. All right. And see, it does the back. It doesn't know much of the back. What's in the back, so it just does that. In the back, there would be a cap sticking out here. Because I had the cap reversed. So you may be laughing at this point, but that's okay. Slice the file. Let's slice the file. Okay, so we're slicing it now. We're putting it in the 3MF form so the machine can read the file. Okay, and there we go. It would cost is about $4.22 right down here. See it right here? To make that, its prepare time is 7 minutes. Model time is going to take 6 hours. Okay, but in Handy app, you can set your printer to go to sport mode, and that will cut it down to maybe 4 or 5 hours, for it to print. So there it is, and we're going to save it. So we go to File, we're going to go to Export, down to Export Plated Sliced File, Command G. I'm going to click on that, and it says statue. You have to change the name, put a name in there, because if you put the name, if you don't put the name, and you do another one, it'll replace it. So go all the way to the left, put Peter in there. It's going to downloads. No, we wanted to go to desktop. So I'm going to click on desktop. It is now on my desktop. Okay, to be printed. If we had the machine up and running, I'm waiting for parts today to come in to get the machine up and running. You would go to send, and then send it off by Wi-Fi to the printer. Okay, and make sure you're connected to your printer. So that's what I'll show you today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And please rate, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up. And we'll see you next time. Bye for now.